Yo, well going guys. So come on man for what me work for talk on the mic, yeah, bro. No man, this talk is a mic. Not for talking it. What a weird way to start a trade recap. Alright. Coming into today is May 8th. What's up guys? It's my trade recap. Today is May 8th, 2025. So coming into today on the 4 hour chart, I saw that price downtrend. Um on the 4 hourly, I coming in and saw this today. I was looking for some highs to get swept. Originally, my first thought process was I was looking for these highs to get swept. That was what I was thinking. I was seeing market open, but yeah, I saw we're in a downtrend, so my bias was selling today. On the hourly though, I saw that we're in a uptrend on the hourly. So I took note of that. I went on my 5 minute chart, and what I was looking for was a breaker structure. And apologize, guys. Hold on. Yeah, so I'm looking for a break of structure on the 5 minute chart. Once I see price come up into a point of interest, and the point of interest today for me were these was this fair value gap right here, the bearish fair value gap. I was thinking this would be an area where price would react off of to go down, because I'm trading a continuation of this trend right here. We saw the breaker structure right here. I just wanted to see if they would get a continuation. So this was the fair value gap I based my trade off. I saw price came up in it coming into market open, and I saw a broke structure down coming into at like 950. I saw a broke structure down, but at 9:30 we came up into it and we closed below it. So at 9:50 we saw the breaker structure and I entered here. I'm trying to remember my entrance. So I had a fair value gap right here. I believe this was a fair value gap. This right here. No, this was not a fair value gap. My bad. Ignore that. So yeah. Coming into today on the 5 minute, I saw that I trying to remember what I entered off, because I know it wasn't these fair value gaps, but um the confluence. I know I look at my 1 minute chart, and it should I enter right here. I can just check my phone actually. Hold on. Check my phone. So I entered at, well, this is 16:26. I don't know why the time wrong on this, but 26, 26, 26, 26. Alright, so I saw price. I wasn't basing on trade. I saw there was a fair value gap down here, which I believe got closed above. So yeah, this was the fair value gap right here. I entered off of. Once price came up into it, I entered on my 1 minute. Once I saw that price, entered it. I just put that and put my stop as these highs right here. This was my stop. These highs right here. I wasn't really expecting price to come up here, so this is why I entered. But into the fair value gap, because I originally saw it close below it, but we saw like a retracement back into it, and this is where price made the second high. So this is where my stop is, and I would say I would probably come out down here if price decide to break structure to the upside. I would have came out of the trade early here, in terms of my mindset as to whether that's, I never do it, but I just say my mindset. I saw that price came back and then price broke structure again. Price made a move down after touching that broke structure again, and this is when we started to get the move. I took my profits off right here, and it was a little bit early, but the reason why I took it off so late is because, or the reason why I took it off so early was because I was saying that 12 o'clock would be the time I would stop trading, which not even 12, but like 11. Like I was in this trade a long time, so I was saying to myself, like, I don't really want to be for a whole trade at the time. That's what I do at the time, but I should have hold the trade still. Cause I was thinking to hold the trade even if I lose, but that's something to note. I would have held the trade if it was going in the wrong direction, but when you're going in the right direction, I don't hold the trade. That's kind of like a psychological thing you need to know too. Like that is something that it don't make sense, but you do it because of emotion. So that's something to note. All right, so I saw price do that. I took all my profits right here, but I just waited and I watched the chart and I saw price hit the first day profit, which were these hourly lows right here. This was the first day profit. The second day profit would have been these 4 hour lows, and the final day profit for today was actually this, and I believe this is a 4 hour low as well. This and I started this fair value gap. So this would have been my trade for today, fully executed. Came out early, but um, this is the buyer. This is the idea that I caught today, and this is what I'm journaling right now. So yeah, this is my trade recap for May 8th, 2025.